This is ASPure Maths Notes. We're in Unit 8 Trigonometry and we're working our way through some trig equations. So this is our example here. Solve 3 upon tan x plus 1 equals 2, and this time it's between minus 180 and 180. So we need to do a bit of kind of rearranging here. I'm going to divide through both sides by 3 to start with. So that's then going to give me tan x plus 1 is 2/3. And that gives me, then if I take away 1 from both sides, so it's going to be 2/3 take away 1, so that's then going to be minus 1/3. I'm going to work out my basic angle as I do then kind of for the previous one. So and I ignore the negative, and so x then is tan to the minus 1 of 1/3. You put that in your calculator and you're going to get 18.43 degrees. I want where tan is negative because I'm trying to solve tan x is minus 1/3. Therefore that's going to be in quadrants 2 and 4. So a quick cast diagram. This time I'm labeling the angles very slightly differently, so it will be 0, 90, 180, and here 0, minus 90, minus 180. My basic angle, if I want it in there, not everybody puts this in, is that one there. I don't want that because tan would be positive there. C-A-S-T. So I want it in this quadrant here and this quadrant here. Those are quadrants 2 and 4. So I want that one there, and I want that one there, and that then is 18.43. So measuring this one here, it's going to be 180, take away 18.43. Gives me 161.57 degrees. Or my other one, I just measure around this way. Remember now, if it was between 0 and 360, I would measure all the way around to here. But I want this one here, so it's going to be minus 18.43 degrees. So those are my two answers there, 161.57 degrees and minus 18.43 degrees. Example 5, solve 4 cos squared x equals 3 between 0 and 360. So it's 4 cos squared x equals 3. That means cos squared x is 3 over 4. And taking the square root then of both sides, being careful here, remember it's plus and minus root 3 over 4. So that tidies up very slightly. Let me see, it's going to go cos x is plus or minus root 3 over 2. Do you see that? So I've taken the square root of the 4, so it's root 3 over 2. So my basic angle, slide this up so we can see it. X is cos to minus 1 root 3 over 2, and that gives me x then is 30 degrees. I want cos to be both positive and negative, because look, it's plus or minus root 3 over 2. So in that case I just want the answer then for all quadrants. So let's draw our diagram. Zero, 90, 180, 270, 360, and I want all 4 options here, so I want this one, this one, this one, this one. These are all 30s. So that means I'm going to have x equals 30 degrees, so that'll be that one. Now at x equals, so what's that going to be? That's going to be 180 take away 30, so it's going to be 150 degrees. Then we're going to have 180 plus 30, it's going to be 210 degrees. And then our final one is then going to be 330 degrees.